NEET 2021 question. Here, force F, acceleration capital A and time t are chosen as fundamental physical quantity. Then what is the dimensional formula of energy E in terms of F, A and T? So here energy proportional to F raised to A raised to B and T raised to C. So E is equal to K, F raised to A raised to B and T raised to C. K is a constant of proportionality and that is always dimensionless. Now write the dimensional formula both sides. Energy is M1 L2 T minus 2. K is M0 L0 T0. Force M1 L1 T minus 2 raised to A. Acceleration L1 T minus 2 raised to B. Time T1 raised to C. So M raised to A. Total power of M is A. Total power of L A plus B. Total power of T minus 2A minus 2B plus C. Now compare power of MLT both sides. So A is equal to 1 here. Now power of L. A plus B is equal to 2. So B is equal to 2 minus A. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1. Now minus 2A minus 2B plus C. That is the power of T. And here power of T is minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus C is equal to minus 2. Now solve this equation and from this C is equal to 2. So dimensional formula of energy in terms of FAT is F raised to A, so F raised to 1, A raised to B, so A raised to 1, T raised to C, so T raised to 2, F1, A1, T2. Thank you.